If you've ever saved a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, and now want to clean up your bookmarks, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to remove a post from your bookmark section in just a few taps. It's super simple, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can unbookmark anything you no longer want saved. If this video helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more quick social media tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, look for the menu and open your bookmarks section. This is where X keeps every post you've saved for later, so if you've bookmarked a lot of content, this is the place to find the one you want to remove. Now scroll through your bookmarked posts until you locate the exact post you want to delete from your bookmarks. You can take your time here, especially if you save a lot of posts, because the goal is to remove only the one you no longer need. Once you find the post, look for the bookmark icon on it. When a post is saved, that icon is usually highlighted in blue, which tells you it's currently bookmarked. To remove the post from your bookmarks, simply tap that highlighted blue bookmark icon one more time. As soon as you do that, the post will be unbookmarked and removed from your bookmark section immediately. You don't need to confirm anything, and there's no extra menu to go through. It's just a quick tap to undo the bookmark. If you want to remove more posts, just repeat the same process. Open Bookmarks, find the post, and tap the blue bookmark icon again. That's all there is to it. You've now removed a post from your x.com or Twitter bookmark successfully. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.